Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm supposed to talk natural in these. So, I honestly thought that my followers here on YouTube, would be women. I mean, look at me. But it's men, and they like to see me do manual labor. So I'm going to treat you to a little bit of manual labor here. Not a lot, but a little. And I'm going to rely on Mr. Shalander in Bangladesh to time-lapse it here in a minute, and then I'll come back and we'll do a wrap-up. Yeah, we'll do a wrap-up. So you can go ahead and time-lapse this, and we'll be back later. That's a cue, Mr. Shalander, for you to time-lapse it, like right now. Now.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
All right. Whew. Not bad for 63 years old. So, by almost definition, there will be a part 2 to this video, and that's when I'm at the dump. Like one of my favorite places to be. Tomorrow, doing that all in reverse. Thanks for being here. Hey, go out and see me do comedy somewhere, sometime. Follow my stuff, like, subscribe, do all the things. It's my one dying request. I'm not gonna die. It's my living request, but just do it. Let humor work. Oh.